Here we are in the new house. This is my man cave, the new Roboplastics Lab. I have the bot set up over here in the corner. We had a problem when I put the bot together today. I found out that there was some damage to the connector on the motherboard where the heat bed attaches to the bot. So basically I had to go to Fry's and get some connectors and make that work again. Got a new clock, of course, a blue clock, of course it's blue, set up here so you can see. That's 12:17 a.m. by the way, so that's so you can see time-lapse, more appropriate time, and people now won't have to ask me, hey, how long did that take? So you may notice my new filament feeding system here. Basically I had my old rack that I had prior to the move, and I have this piece of metal. It's got all these cutouts in it from Home Depot, and I bent it around a tire so it had a nice curve to it, and I put some blue ties on there, and I run the filament up and through so it gets a nice angle where it goes into the bot. The nice thing about this is that when the bot moves back and forth, that instead of a static arm, this arm flexes and goes with the bot, and I'm getting much finer prints from that because of that, I think. Okay, so in the rest of the man cave, you may notice I not only have my 27-inch screen that I've had for quite some time, but I now have a Sony 42-inch as a secondary monitor. I can play games on that, do whatever I want. I actually don't have it connected right now because I lent out my HDMI cable, the special cable that converts from HDMI to that funky, weird HDMI connector, that mini D port or whatever it is. Anyway, so I'm all set up over here. Check this out. I got a new motherboard and CPU. It's I think a i3 processor or something like that. Anyway, it's on a ITX motherboard. It has pretty much built in everything I need to run it. I'm actually going to incorporate that into my next 3D printer. And so the 3D printer will have an input for monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and it will be a computer and 3D printer all in one. And so I recommend those of you out there who are in the maker community that these little boards are awesome. I bought this for 36 bucks. It came with 4 gigs of RAM. I got it on eBay, and that's going to be the brain of my next 3D printer.